Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a cute, simple makeup look that's like still cute, like day, night. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to take my Poreless Jelly Primer and I'm going to squirt, squirt, squirt. We're going to rub that in. Alright, now that that's done, I'm gonna use our foundation. I'm using Fit Me in 118 by Maybelline. And you don't need a lot of this, like it's full coverage. Might look like I'm putting a lot on here, but literally it's not coming out. You gotta tap it. I've heard other YouTubers say that. I wish they had a pump, and yeah, that'd be a whole lot easier. Maybelline, what are you doing? Put a pump on these. Right. And then we just put a few little dots here and there. Like I said, you don't need a lot because it is full coverage. Like, look at that. It pretty much covers my whole face, just that little dollop I did. Make sure you get it up in. I'm gonna put on concealer too, but it really helps cover everything up. It looks fantastic. I like it. It's my personal favorite. I was using the skin tint, but it's just if you want a lighter coverage, then I would use the Fit Me. I mean, the skin tint. Sorry. Lighter coverage skin tint, full coverage, Fit Me by Maybelline. Definitely would be easier with a pump, but hey, you know. I've seen some people use a brush to do the foundation, but honestly, I think that using a beauty blender works way better. A kind of damp beauty blender, you just dab. See, look at that full coverage. Anyway, so yeah, it's that, the Fit Me by Maybelline. And this concealer is it's just called Conceal It by LA Colors, and this is the only shade that is even close to my skin tone. It's light. It does conceal everything. It covers pretty good. That's what you want in a concealer, right? Something that conceals everything. I have these dark lines. My son does not let me sleep at night. I'm trying to like scope, so just trying to be careful with it. So just take my beauty blender and I just blend it out. there's a line here. And I pretty much covered it up. And then under your eyes, I like to go on my eyelids with it too. And it does brighten around your eyes too. Definitely gotta take the corner of your thing and dab it. I like a lighter look on my eyes. Cover up these little lines up here. You can already tell the difference with the beginning and now. And then I take my bronzer and a bronzing brush. Lightly tap it because this stuff is dark. And then I just go around the little edges right here. Gives you that little sun-kissed look. And then usually whatever's left after I'm done doing my forehead, I bring it down to like right here. I usually just go over my cheeks really quick with it. Thanks. But yeah, like I said, I put it on my cheeks, whatever's left from right here, and I just put it right up here. I need to do my nails again because I'm gonna buy some new nail polish too because it just doesn't work. And then if you want to brighten up down here, you can put your concealer right here. She's glowing. Okay. Anyways, and then after my bronzer, I take my blush, and this is LA Girls Velvet Blush Contour Stick. I got it at Five Below. Works great. And I take my beauty blender again, and I just blend it in to my cheeks. Now your girl blushing. And then I like to take my, it's very simple. And I like to take my eyelash curler, not my mascara, my eyelash curler. And just real quick. So Revlon one. I like Revlon products. My straightener is by Revlon. In fact, I have naturally curly hair and I straighten my hair. So, yeah. Like I said, you can wear this day or night. Doesn't matter. And this is Princess Lash Mascara. Works great. If you don't want to bother with fake lashes, this is the way to go. So much volume. And then I like to take it and do my bottom lashes too. And then if there's anything underneath, like in your creases, just take your finger and go. Literally super simple to look. Nothing fancy. And then if you wanted to do eyeliner too, you could. Like I said, you could do this day or night. This is my favorite color, if you can't tell, because I wear it in every video. Definitely gonna change soon. I have a lot of makeup tutorials and get ready with me's coming soon. And then you can put on some earrings or something. I don't have mine next to me, otherwise I would put them on. But then just take your hand down, fluff it. My hair knots really easily, and today is a bad hair day for me. My hair is so frizzy. So if you have any tips on frizziness, let me know in the comments, because I would really like to know your tips for frizzy hair, because I cannot find anything that works. But if you like this video, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Bye.